I just want to be clear about something first. This isn't about me attacking AI. Dude, I use it. I'm impressed by it, and I'm guilty of it as well. This isn't about good or bad tools. It never has been. Photography didn't kill painting. Digital didn't kill film. Painters used photos, and filmmakers used new sensors. Art still survived all of it because the point was never the tool. It was the story. There was still risk. You could waste film, ruin a canvas, miss a moment forever. That risk forced intention. It forced decisions. It forced you to care about what you were saying. What feels different now isn't AI. Let's be real. It's what happens when nothing is at stake. You can undo everything. You can generate infinite versions, replace instead of commit. And I'm not above that at all. I mean, I do it as well. We all do it at this point. Let's be real. AI is integrated in everything that we do. But when nothing costs you anything, I feel like that's when story is usually the first thing to disappear. Not because machines can't tell stories, but we stop deciding the stories that matter. Art has always been about choosing what to keep, choosing what to lose, choosing what the story is really about. So this isn't a fear of the future. It's a question about responsibility as an artist. If nothing is at risk, what stories are we really choosing to tell?